Hi class. We are in week 10, believe it or not. So I just want to talk to you a little bit about how class is going to work. What I imagine happening is that you view the video and work on the worksheet at some point. You can do that between 8 and 9:50 during class time. You can do that some other time. But know that then on our normal class time, I and Devin are going to be on WebEx to answer any questions and help you with those worksheets. So that's kind of what I envision. You checking them out, watching the videos, generating some questions, then you check into the WebEx, get your questions answered, and we help you with that from there. Hopefully that makes sense. If you have questions, please reach out to me. Several of you have so far. And a main question was, is this like counting towards attendance or something to go to the WebEx? Is it required? And the answer to that is no, it's not required. It's not going to count towards attendance. It's just going to be there to help you. So when you run into trouble, which is easy to do in this class, you go ahead and know where and when you can get help. Okay? I hope that this finds you well. Let me know how you're doing, and I will see you soon.